So, I guess with stones, you pay for what you get what you pay for, right? But is it worthwhile getting paying $100 for stones?
Generally, when it comes to tools, I like investing a fair bit of money in my tools. What's the point of buying like a tool that is really cheap and you have to buy it 10 times? I'd rather buy one tool that is really expensive, but
so spend more on the
what
tools.
What is this wheel made of?
I really do not know. It's some artificial sort of stone. Like,
okay. Almost look like material there. Like a buffing material. And what's this one?
That's leather, and
leather?
That leather has been sort of primed with oil.
Okay.
And later we put a buffing compound on it, and that'll really polish the edge. Is that pointy enough, mate?
Oh, heaps pointy, that's fine. Yeah, perfect.
What else did you have?
So I got this, my dive knife, which I broke trying to get an ab off.
Would that work better on there?
Probably yes, but I don't have a knife attachment for this one.
It's all about the neck.
Diving knife or hunting knife? Do you break up a lot of carcasses? You want it really sharp?
No, I haven't, but you can see I've had a few bones taken down, slings and stuff.
I have to go at it freestyle. You just gotta grind this point.
That's it. I don't think it matters exactly what angle you choose as long as you do it the same way. Find this sort of
That
therapeutic.
knife's probably still got salt water all over it.
That'll be fine, mate.
Fucking getting polished. Jesus. Look at that. I mean, I never had that polished before. It's not sharp, but I can't feel it.
Getting there.
Yeah.
But it's got an edge.
There's a real polish.
Wow.
Never looked that good before.
So Alex, you start on that end or do you start on the other end?
You basically start there. This is just for tools here and for repointing knives.
I bought mine.
Do we make that box and the timber, or do I sell them as they are?
No, you made that.
Made them.
This is Alex, is that yours?
Yeah. But that stone that's an $800 machine.
This machine,
Yeah.
is it spin slow?
Sorry?
It spins slow.
Yeah, that's the whole thing about it. Because you don't want to create heat on the knife.
Okay.
What do you reckon now, Alex?
One moment, mate. Nearly there. Yeah. There's so much rust on this one, I can't actually see it.
Sorry, it normally sits in salt water. Can't believe you already got a point on it. That's my trusty wetty knife. You get a free knife with every wetsuit from Wetty.
That's a bargain.
That's a nice new point on it. Any other points to do?
Yeah. See that little black handle one there? It basically hasn't got a decent edge. I've tried to sharpen it, it's got no decent edge on it.
We can do that on there.
Yeah.
Easy.